Hey guys, Dile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make most of people's favorite recipe, Tibetan Tingmo. Tibetan Tingmo is very popular as a Tibetan dish. So I'm going to show you how to make at your home. And let's get started how to make, and I hope you guys love this video. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to add dry yeast first. I'm going to soak this. 2 tablespoons I'm going to use, and half teaspoon salt. Next I'm going to add 1 cup warm water, not too much hot, not too much cold. Add the water and mix it well and set aside for 2-3 minutes. After 2-3 minutes later, I'm going to add flour. Add the flour and how much you're going to make. Now continuously mix it well until not become dough. You have to mix it well. Now remove the chopstick and I'm going to use my hand. Add 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Continuously mix it well until dough not becomes soft and smooth. Cover, and now I'm going to leave it for 1 hour. Apply the oil first. So take a steam pot, add the oil a little bit, and I'm going to apply. So can you see my dough become its double size? Add some flour, and now I'm going to add. Now I'm going to make 2 portions. Now I'm going to roll this. We have to boil the water. Water start to boil. Now I'm going to place it on my Tingmo. Now cover and steam for 25 minutes. I keep normal high heat, and it's already cooked my Tingmo. So if you forget the timing, so sometimes you can check like this. If you not stick your hand, then it's cooked. Now I already turn on the heat, and now I'm going to leave it for a few minutes. Okay, now my Tingmo is ready. Now it's ready to serve. So this is my final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And my Tingmo shape is not good, but it doesn't matter. Mean what we want. We need soft and floppy. This is we want. Now you can go with any kind of vegetable as you like. Even here I upload many vegetable recipe. You can check it out my another video also. Okay guys, and if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. Even they also enjoy this recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video.